did you trick your entire high school? Our high school announcement system was completely broken. Not technically, it worked fine, but organizationally, it was chaos. Club meetings, upcoming events were announced with zero verification. My friend Tara and I discovered this power by accident when we jokingly submitted an announcement for Bring Your Plant to School Day and watched in shock as the principal actually read it over the loudspeaker. That's when we hatched our plan, Operation Dream Field Trip. We created an official-looking form about a special senior class trip to the local amusement park. We included realistic details, the $15 fee for transportation, meet in the gym at 8 a.m. With confidence, we submitted it to the announcement box. Sure enough, the next morning, reminder to all seniors about the upcoming amusement park trip. We figured a teacher would catch on immediately. None did. By Wednesday, our guidance counselor was collecting money. By Thursday, the gym teacher was complaining about losing his space to that senior trip thing. We were in too deep to back out. Friday morning, 97 seniors gathered in the gym with backpacks. Several teachers showed up to chaperone a trip nobody had actually organized. The moment of truth arrived when our assistant principal walked in with a clipboard, looking confused. Who's in charge of this trip? The teachers all looked at each other. Students looked at teachers. The cafeteria staff who'd prepared 100 sack lunches looked at everyone. Our principal walked in and saved us. Why isn't everyone on the buses? They've been waiting for 15 minutes. Somehow, actual buses had been scheduled. We spent the day riding roller coasters while various administrators each assumed someone else had organized everything.